guys, because your journey has been so unique, it's been so interesting, and you guys have a chance to do so many great things.
It's up to you all to execute and do your job. Plain and simple.
All right, like I said, I don't know what lies on the other side of this half of football. I don't know. All I want is everything you've got for the next 2 quarters. That's all I want, okay? Are you capable of giving me your best effort for 2 quarters?
Let's go.
Been another great year in Aldi.